In this video, we're going to talk about how you can protect your money when you make a purchase online. So hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you stay up to date on when new videos come out. The internet can be a dangerous place for your debit card. When a phishing site isn't enticing you to hand over your account info, credit card databases are getting hacked. Privacy.com offers a solution to these issues that's not just hoping for the best. Instead of putting your actual debit card number out there, the site lets you create burner debit cards that are locked to a single vendor or meant to be used just one time. These aren't physical cards for use at a local store, but digital cards for use online. It's kind of like a VPN for your bank account. Instead of using a bank card, you give websites a burner card. If that burner card should ever get caught in a database breach, it can be disabled or deleted with a few clicks. Even if the bad guys do use it, the card won't work anywhere except at the vendor it was stolen from. Contrast that with canceling a debit card, which usually requires a phone call and then waiting for the bank to issue a new one. Plus, if that canceling doesn't happen quickly enough, someone can use that stolen card and use it anywhere until the bank notices odd activity. Privacy.com started out about 4 years ago as a startup with a mix of technologists and veterans of the finance industry. Today, it's still going strong with some minor changes to its product in that time. Overall, it's an excellent web service that is easy to use and provides a good service for those concerned about protecting their bank accounts when shopping online. First, you can sign up through me. I'll leave a link down below in the description. But signing up for Privacy is just like any other web service, with requests for an email and password. After that, you fill out some personal info and then connect a funding source via either your debit card or banking details. Once Privacy validates the funding source, you're ready to create cards. Privacy makes its money off the transaction fees that merchants pay to debit card providers such as Visa and MasterCard. It does, however, offer several paid plans for its service as well. Most people will be perfectly fine with the free plan, which includes the ability to create up to 12 burner cards per month. These can be single-use cards for special purchases or cards locked to a single merchant. The cards can also have narrow spending limits such as $100 or less. The free plan also covers the use of the browser extension for Chrome and Firefox. Now, a pro plan costs $10 per month and adds the ability to create up to 36 burner cards per month, plus priority support and 1% cash back on the first $4,500 spent each month. There's also a feature called Discrete Merchants that lets users hide transaction information. Once an account is validated, creating a new card is easy. Click on the new card towards the top of the page and give it a nickname. Normally, the cards are named after the vendor where it be used. Using a mainstream vendor name gives you the option to use an icon with the company's logo on it. Then it comes time to adjust the spending limit. Each card can have a spend limit on a per transaction basis or monthly or annual spend limits. Here we can also activate the single-use slider or choose to have no limits at all. By default, Privacy suggests a $100 monthly limit. I'm a huge fan of per transaction limit, especially for services like Netflix or Spotify, where the cost will always be the same. There will obviously have to be adjustments when the services increase their monthly fees, but that isn't a frequent occurrence. Once a card is created, it can also be paused so it will not authorize any further transaction until the pause is removed. Privacy cards don't lock to a vendor until they're used for the first time. So when it comes to paying online, the burner debit card is just like any other. Fill out the card number, expiration date, CVV code, and home address if required. To make this process easier, install Privacy Browser's add-ons, which let you copy card numbers as well as view the card expiry date and CVV number. That's really about all there is to Privacy. It makes creating cards easy and allows you to use them with numerous vendors online. So yeah, Privacy is easy to use, it works almost everywhere online, and the idea of protecting a debit card with a card number that can be easily deleted or paused is an excellent concept to protect yourself when making purchases online. And of course, I'll leave a link down below, and if you sign up through me, you will receive $5 when you start and fund an account with Privacy. And of course, this is not a sponsored video. I do receive a small commission when you do create an account, but hey, you get $5. And as always, take care of your money. Oh, and one last thing before you go. I created a course called Smart Money Parenting as a way to teach parents how to educate their kids about money. An early financial education is the foundation for wealth building, so give your kids a future they deserve. Use code MONEY20 at checkout to receive 20% off my master course. I'll leave a link to the course down below.